In this video, we will see the different options to add a phone number. The first option would be to go to Numbers, and here we have two options, buy a phone number or import the study ones. We click to buy a phone number. We choose the country from the list of available countries, and we select one of the two options, or a local number or a number with a toll-free prefix. We can enter the area code. We click to see available numbers. We choose one and click Buy. The next option is to import the number from your idea. If we already have a Twitter account, we would need to authenticate with the site and the token. And a ver. Once this is done, it shows us the numbers we have available associated with this account. We would click and import the number. Selected, and we would already have an active phone number. The next option. Add a personal number. Our personal number, we click to add a personal number. We look for the area code of our country. We enter the phone number. We click to verify the number. And we must enter in this number in the call or the message that we receive. Once this is done, here our personal phone number would already appear.